you uploaded your videos, waited, and still got no views, no subscribers, and no watch hours. Sounds familiar, right? I know, but you are not alone. So don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you number of settings that you must turn on or off if you want your videos to actually get seen or for YouTube to push your videos. If your videos are not showing up in search, it's not village people or bad luck or even that YouTube hates you. Most new creators and small channel creators miss this setting and are quietly killing their channel's visibility even before it starts. YouTube is a search engine. That means it needs data to know what your video is talking about. But if your channel is set up incorrectly or your setting blocks the metadata, trust me, YouTube will not be able to suggest your videos or even recommend your videos or even push your videos out. And that is period. Let me show you what to do to fix this.
So for your first setting, you have to open your Chrome app. So once you open your Chrome app, you type YouTube desktop. And once you type that YouTube desktop, click on search and allow it to search. So once you search, click on sign in. You can see sign in. Click on that sign in and allow it to load. So once it loads, it's going to take you directly to your YouTube dashboard or your YouTube desktop, whichever one that you know it as, YouTube dashboard or YouTube desktop. So let's wait for it to open. So just follow me so you understand everything I'm trying to say. So once it opens, this is how your channel is going to look like. Look at the left hand side. At the bottom part of it, you see that setting icon there. That is what we are going to work on for this particular first setting. Okay, so click on that setting. Once it opens, click on channel, then click on advanced. So just click on that. You can see that after general you see channel. Click on that channel, then you see basic info, advanced setting and feature eligibility. Click on advanced setting. So once you click on advanced setting, you see, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Click on no. Set the channel as not made for kids and click on save. Make sure you always click on save. The reason why you are doing this is so that you tell YouTube that your channel is not for children or for kids, that is actually for adults, that is for other people. So make sure you do this. The next setting will be when you want to upload your video. So you click on Chrome. Once it opens, you type YouTube desktop. You type YouTube desktop. Just follow what I'm doing now so you understand better. So once you type YouTube desktop, you search. Click on search. Once it opens, the first thing you have to click is that sign in. You can see the sign in. You click on that sign in, it will take you directly to your YouTube studio dashboard or YouTube desktop. So when this is loading, you can see. So I'm going to use a video that I've already made for an instance for this particular setting that I want to teach you. So I'm going to use one video out of all the videos that I made. So I will click on the video and then I'm going to choose one video. So let me check the video that I'm going to use. So let me use this first video here. So once you open the first video, you will see that I've already imputed this thing. So you must have done all these things before then. So the editing, the thumbnail, the description, then then you scroll down. Once you scroll down, you see show more. Click on that show more. But before this thing happens, just make sure that you have already imputed your thumbnail, your description and everything. Alright, so once you scroll down, click on show more. Once you click on show more, you see altered content. Click off that setting. which means put it on no. Once you off that setting, then you are done with that. These are other settings that I've already done. So in case if you want to know more about this, you can just take your time and go through this video quietly, and you see some of the other settings that I already did. So once you are done with that part, the next thing that you have to do is to scroll down a bit. So once you scroll down, you will see this allow embedding, then you see publish to all subscription feed and notify subscribers. Please, if you are a small channel, I would advise you that you should turn this thing off. So make sure that is off. If you're small, if you have 0 to 900 or 1000 subscribers, just off that thing, because you don't have much subscribers. And if your subscribers are not engaging on your videos, don't turn this thing on, because if you turn it on, what will happen is anytime you post this video, YouTube will first push these videos to your subscribers, and if they are not watching your videos, it's going to affect that video. So I advise you to just turn it off. If you are a big YouTuber, or if you have audience of viewers or subscribers that always engage on your videos, then you can turn it on. But if you're a small channel, please make sure to turn it off. And when you are done turning this thing off, make sure you click on save, or done, click on save before you upload that video. All right, the moment you fix these settings, you will not have the problems of no subscribers, no views, and no watch hours. So make sure to do the right settings on your videos. The ones that you're supposed to turn on, make sure you turn them on, and the ones that you're supposed to turn off, make sure you turn them off.
So if you're stuck with no views, no subscribers, and no watch hours, go and check your settings now. These settings could be the reason why your videos are not getting seen, are not getting noticed, and they are not being discovered. Like this video if you learn something from this video. Drop a comment, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and type fixed on the comment section so that I will know that you have already done the necessary things that you should do to your settings. And if you are serious about growing your channel fast, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because in the next video we are going to be learning something very special. So see you in my next video. You know I'm rooting for you, and I love you always. I love you.